Hello, kids. I am Popo. Today we're going to learn about wild animals. Do you like wild animals? I love them. Let's start to learn. A zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. A tiger. It's an elephant. The elephant is a huge animal of the jungle. It's a crocodile. It's a giraffe. Gorilla. It's a monkey. There is a bear. A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros has very strong horns. A wolf. It's a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. That's all, friends. See you soon with some other knowledge about animals. Bye, kids.